In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Gmail filters in Google Workspace. We'll start by getting into Gmail from your Google Workspace account so we can create and manage filters. First, open the admin console. From there, look to the upper right for the grid of 9 dots, also known as the App Launcher. Click it to reveal your Google Apps, then choose Gmail. This simply brings you into your inbox from the Workspace environment. Once you're in Gmail, head to the upper right and click the Settings gear. In the panel that opens, select See All Settings to open the full settings view. Along the top menu, choose the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail keeps all of your filter rules in one place so you can review, edit, or remove them later. Next, click Create a new filter. A filter builder window will appear with several fields. Here's where you define the exact messages you want Gmail to catch for you. You can target messages by from or to if you're filtering mail from a specific sender or to a specific address. Subject is great for recurring threads like weekly reports. Has the words lets you match phrases or keywords in the body or subject, while doesn't have helps you exclude noise. You can also use size to capture messages larger or smaller than a threshold, which is useful for housekeeping. For best results, be specific. Use exact email addresses, quotes around phrases, and operators like OR to combine terms thoughtfully. If you want to narrow your filter to messages that include files, check the Has Attachment box. Leave it unchecked if the presence of attachments doesn't matter for this rule. When your criteria look right, click Create. Gmail will save the filter based on the conditions you defined. If you ever find that a filter is too broad or too narrow, you can return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to refine it without starting over. To confirm it's working, go back to your inbox and review the messages that match your criteria. Another quick way to validate is to use the search bar at the top. Type in the same keyword, address, or phrase you used when building the filter. You should see all the emails that meet your filter conditions compiled in the results, which helps you verify your logic. That's it. With thoughtful criteria and occasional tweaks, Gmail filters in Google Workspace can keep your inbox organized, reduce manual sorting, and surface what matters most.